Hello everyone, it's Frank again with a new budget, well, not really budget mud truck, with a new ATV, not really ATV video either, with a new Jeep, nah that one doesn't fit it, with a new video. As you probably heard in the intro, today's video doesn't really fit into any of the playlists, although the subject of today's video has been used in all three of the playlists. This is the trailer I use to move around the budget mud truck, the ATVs, and the Jeep. However, it has a little bit of a dangerous problem. The chain that holds the ramps up is just kind of latched onto a hook, which means if the ramp leans forward, it can very easily kind of just pop off and the ramp falls to the ground. As you can imagine, that can cause a really big problem if it happens on a highway or with a car close behind you. So in today's video, we will be welding a little piece of metal on each of the hooks to make them more secure. This piece doesn't really have to withstand much force, as there isn't much for it to do other than keeping the chain from bouncing up and off of the ramp's hook. I found a couple little pieces of scrap metal that I had, cut them up to the same size, cleaned them up, and welded them on. And that's pretty much all I did other than paint. So I'll let you guys enjoy and I'll catch up with you at the end. As you saw, it all went pretty smooth, other than painting on the driver's side where I kind of oversprayed a little bit on the reflector, but what can you do? As always, if you enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.